Okay, here's this camera. It's a Panasonic HC-V270, and the question is if we can charge the camera while it's still recording. So I'm going to press the record button. Okay, and as you can see, the red dot is there, so it is recording. Okay, and now I will plug in the charger, and I will plug it in here to the right side of the camera. So you cannot charge it from here, from the micro USB. You have to plug it in here. Okay, so notice that battery sign. After I plug in this cable, that battery sign will disappear. The battery disappeared and is still recording. So now it's being powered from the cable, from that adapter. That's why the battery sign is not there. And if I unplug it, the battery sign appears again because it's being powered by this battery, but it's still recording. So plug it in, it's recording, no battery sign. Unplug it, and it's still recording, but it's using the battery. Okay, so you can charge your battery while you are recording using this camcorder, Panasonic HC-V270. That's the power plug that you have to use. You can't charge it from that internal micro USB.